Hi, welcome to the Understanding by Design workshop. I'm your instructor, Evan Campbell, and the purpose of this workshop is to teach you how to use the Understanding by Design or UbD approach to building courses and curriculum. Let's get started. Welcome to an overview of Stage 1 of the Unit by Design approach to course and curriculum building. In this stage, we'll be identifying desired results. To begin, we will be identifying information about the course and the unit, including the subject or discipline, class name and number, class time frame, grade level, keywords, district, university, or organization, school, department, or corporation, the type of school or organization, the textbook for class, and the links to online resource material. Once we've identified this information about the course, we will identify information about the unit, including the unit title, the unit time frame, where does the unit fit into class, and how will the unit be delivered. Once we identify these methods, we will then identify how the course will be designed, such as why are you developing this course, the time frame to teach, or the level of expertise that you have. Following identifying the course design elements, you will be giving an overview of the unit. This overview or unit summary needs to be simple so that the students will understand it. And it should include a big idea that's inspirational and gives the students a reason to be interested in the course and want to learn the material, something that might make it relate to them. Following identifying the big idea and writing a unit summary, you will be finding professional organizations and the competencies within them in order to build your own content. Once we know what is the standards and competencies for the industry, we will know the goals that we need to be teaching to. Once we identify industry standards and or professional competencies, we need to choose which ones this unit will address. Once you have chosen the standards and or competencies you would like to cover, enter them here and code them like so in this column. Once the standards and competencies that need to be addressed are identified, we move on to identifying transfer goals. Transfer is what instructors should aim for because it means that students can take what they learned in the classroom and apply it to a variety of real-world situations in the future or during their job. Once those transfer goals are identified, enter them here, and use this column to identify which competency code aligns with each transfer goal. By using these codes to make sure that our lesson is aligned, we can make sure that the lesson is as clear for anyone else who may come and pick up our plan down the road. Now that the transfer goals are identified and the alignment codes are entered, we move on to identifying our meaning goals. Meaning is made up of essential questions and understandings. Essential questions are ones that foster further inquiry and transfer. Enter them here and the corresponding competency code here. Understandings are just that. What do you want your student to understand? But these are not facts. They are ideas that come from reflecting on and analyzing what you have learned. Once you have identified what your students need to understand, enter them here and the corresponding competency codes here. Lastly, instructors should identify acquisition goals. Acquisition is also made up of two parts, the first being knowledge. These are the hard facts and basic concepts students need to be able to remember. Enter knowledge goals here and corresponding competency codes here. The second part of acquisition is skills, or the processes students should be able to use. Enter skill goals here and corresponding competency codes here. The identification of acquisition goals marks the end of the understanding by design approach to building curriculum and courses. There is more information found in the second workshop, and I hope you will join me for another lesson. Thank you.